Hi, fourth grade. I just want to go over your assignments for tomorrow real quick. For reading and math, just choose a program that you want to work in and work for at least 30 minutes for each subject. Here is the link and class code for Freckle. Here's the link and class code for Dreamscape. If you decide to work in Freckle, I just want to show you a few things that I just want to make sure you're aware of these things. For starters, when you go into Freckle, it'll say practice. Click on practice, and then you'll choose between English or math. And then it's going to give you a pretest, and some of the questions on that pretest are pretty hard. And if you get to something and you have no idea how to answer it, then it's okay to you could just put 0 and move on, or type anything really and move on. And that'll tell the program that you're not ready for that. And so then it won't give you, in your regular lessons, it's not going to give you those hard problems like that. It's going to give you whatever program you're ready, whatever problems you are ready to work on. It will change based on your level. Okay, so when you're working, I want you to make sure that you know what all these buttons over here are. There is this button that will give you a hint if you're stuck. There is this button here that it gives a video explanation of whatever it's trying to teach you. Oh, look at that, ask a friend. Okay, and then there is this pen. Let's see if it's gonna let me write. Oh, there we go, you can write and then erase. There are these shapes that you can drag over onto your screen. Well, I did it earlier. I'm not doing it now, but you can, if you need a number line or you just need some shapes, you can use those, drag those onto your screen. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to make sure that you know what all of these buttons do over here. Alright, you guys work hard today, and have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully.